how to apply a grayscale or black and white color filter to your photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Then in pictures, we scroll down and open up an image that you would like to change. Next, tap on the edit button at the bottom. Now in here, tap on the filters button. And in the selection list at the top here, swipe across until you see it say grayscale or black and white. So select one of the options. So here you can choose black and white. Then we go down to this slider bar to set the strength of your filter. So here at 100% strength, it is totally black and white. If you go down to 50%, you can see it will remove 50% of the color away from the image. And that's it. After that, tap on the save button to save the changes. And finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.